Hello, wonderful people! Welcome back to my quick guide to how to mod on Twitch. Drink and Run here, and I've modded on Twitch for over 5 years now. I'm making this series to make your life as a new mod or small streamer easier. In this video, I'm going to cover how to start a prediction. If this video helps you out and you'd like to see more, please press all the good buttons down below. Also, feel free to leave a comment letting me know which topic you'd like to see me cover in a later video. Please note that I'll be showing this from my browser. I don't really use the mobile app, so apologies if that's what you're looking for. If that's something you'd like to see later, let me know in the comments. Predictions can be a fun way to get chat engaging with the stream. People can wager their channel points betting on, well, whatever you want, really. Will the streamer die in the next level? Will they win their next match? Can they eat the whole pizza that just got delivered? Basically, anything with an A or B answer can be made into a prediction, making them a fun way to get chat engaging with the stream. On top of that, new temporary badges will be added to chat, letting everyone know which side people bet on. The easiest way to start a prediction is to type /prediction into chat and hit enter. This will bring up the prediction setup menu. If you've run previous predictions, the manage prediction screen will start up. Just hit start prediction. At the top, under name the prediction, make sure to clearly label what you're asking chat to bet on. Below that is the possible outcomes, where you enter the choices you want chat to pick from. Remember, you can only enter 2 choices to pick from, so make sure you're giving chat clear choices that can be objectively decided. Things like, will the streamer win their next match? Yes or no? Make for good predictions. While you want to stay away from really subjective things like, will the streamer's painting look good? Under that, you can choose the submission period. The actual prediction will run until a mod or the streamer confirm which side ended up winning. But right here is where you decide how long chat has to get their answers in. This way you won't have a will the streamer win this match prediction where people can vote no halfway through the match when it's clear it's going to be a stomp. You can choose to make the submission period 30 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, or 30 minutes. Once you're done, simply press Start Prediction. You may get a confirmation screen pop up telling you that the prediction won't run longer than 24 hours. Also, once the prediction is started, it cannot be changed except to delete it or close betting early. One final thing it says that I've seen trip up some mods before is that if a mod participates in the betting, that mod cannot choose the outcome to close the prediction. That last bit is Twitch worrying about the perception of fairness, but I trust you. Finally, there's a box you can check so this confirmation screen won't pop up again. Once you're done here, click Got It. That menu is always going to be the one you use to make a prediction, but there are a couple other ways you can get to it. You can also access that menu from Mod View. On the left-hand side, click on the Predictions tab, and you can get there from here. For streamers who don't have mods or like being involved in their own modding, you have another option for starting a prediction that your mods don't have. In your Stream Manager, under Quick Actions, click the Start a Prediction button. If you don't see that, you can add it by clicking the bottom icon with the plus sign. From Mod View or the Stream Manager, you can cut the selection timer short by clicking End Submissions. If you want to cancel the prediction, there's also the Delete button, which will end the prediction entirely and refund all channel points back to the people who bet them. Now just sit back and wait until you know which answer ended up being correct. Just as a quick reminder, if you choose to participate in the betting, you won't be able to enter the winner. Once it's time to pick a winner, go back to the menu I showed you through either Mod View or the Stream Manager and click on Choose Outcome. Select the winning option and then click on Complete Prediction. You may get a confirmation screen making sure you choose the right option and informing you that once you confirm it, there's no way to undo it. This will close it out and the winner will be given their points. I hope this tutorial helped you out. There's a lot that goes into modding on Twitch. If you have something you'd like to see covered in a future quick guide to Twitch modding, let me know in the comments. Also, I don't just mod on Twitch, I'm a streamer too. There's a link to my channel in the description. I stream every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 8:30 p.m. Pacific time. We have a fun community and I would love for you to join us. I like interacting with my chat a lot, so you're welcome to ask me questions about modding there too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.